हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द अनदर वीडियो ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी हब इंडिया, जहां हम एक्सप्लोर करते हैं कई सारे स्कॉलरशिप्स, इंटर्नशिप्स एंड मेनी मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स. If you are new in channel, please do subscribe, like the video, share the video with your friends. So today we will talk about the Muskaan Scholarship Program 2.0 2026-27, a CSR initiative by Valvoline Cummins Private Limited (VCP) for the children of commercial drivers, LMV, HMV and mechanics. Up to INR 12,000 rupees grant for the student in classes 9 to 12. Here are the details about the program. Muskaan Scholarship Program 2.0 26-27, initiative by Valvoline Cummins Private Limited (VCPL), provided educational support to the children of commercial drivers, LNV, HMV, and mechanics, and students from economically weaker section (EWS). The program aims to ensure continuity in education by supporting students enrolled in class 9 to 12 across Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Tripura, Pondicherry, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and West Bengal by providing them with a grant up to INR 12,000 rupees to cover their academic expenses. Here are the eligibility for the scholarship. The deadline is 20 August 2026. Students studying in class 9 to 12 from the following states of India are eligible to apply. The states I read. You can see here the states. If you are belonging from the states, you can apply and eligible. Open to children of commercial drivers including LMV, HMV drivers, children of mechanics and students belonging to the economical weaker section (EWS) category. Applicant must have scored 60% and above in previous class. The family income must not be exceed than 8 lakh. Children of employee of VCPL and Buddy for Study are not eligible. This is the eligibility. Now the benefits. Selected student will receive the following benefit: scholarship up to INR 12,000 rupees based on actual expenses, mentorship support session and sessions on road safety. The document required is proof of identity of the applicant, voter ID, driving license, PAN card, current year admission proof, fee receipt, admission letter, institution identity card, bona fide certificate. Sign and stamp the original mark sheet of the previous class. Document to prove parent profession, commercial driving license of the parents only for driver, Shramik card confirmation from the employer or self-declaration letter duly attested by the authority. Download the self-declaration letter. Here you can download the self-declaration letter. Family income proof, income certificate, bank account details and the recent passport size photograph of the applicant. Applicant must provide their own bank account for scholarship processing. Submission of parents or guardians' bank account detail will not be accepted. In case where the student or their family cannot pay the institute and provide fee receipts, they can submit a fee letter issued by the institute to receive the scholarship amount in advance. However, they must subsequently submit the final receipt through the online scholar tracking system. Here are the process. There you can see the process. How can you apply? Here are some frequently asked questions. My goal is to only tell you about the scholarship. You can go here and apply from here. You can see here are the frequently asked questions. You can easily apply for the scholarship through the Buddy for Study portal, and I already make a video to how to register and how to open account on Buddy for Study, so you can watch this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.